Why it is said that humans are not in their control. If I say so, intelligent people will definitely raise a question. Some will go further and say packets of light, packets of magnetism, the next output in a second, is the result of sensory inputs. In the previous minutes, some will say those ionic polarities and combined electrical polarities all across the system. If sun doesn't shine a day, and what if the moon vanishes? Any difference to the control, coordination mechanisms? Any difference to the productive outputs? See, this is how I derived the Amism ideology. The combined effect of forces in deriving the productive realities. In political social realities, the matter or substance of thoughts is already present. What politicians do is align them in the best possible way and create power among those who doesn't know how to align them. This is having productive capability. That's how the equilibrium exists. People are feeling secure. The same way, human equilibrium has close connection with the forces that enabled their survival, from primitive to the present. How Amism views it all. Productive realities which move certain material realities have some sort of force polarities. These are the keys towards autopilot. What we consume, the processes that create magical properties of matter, from scrap individual matter was already existing. The forces of production is fixed and material transformation was only happening. In space, matter gets formed from emptiness. Photons inside strong different polarities of temperature and pressure, becomes aligned to different matter with different vibration states. When ages pass, strong energy forces binding them together and cools down through energy losses. This is how our Earth is formed. And any life working inside, say for example humans, have capabilities to maintain and sustain the polarities. We have sodium-potassium ionic polar imbalances creating electric fields all across body, maintaining the life equilibrium. The oxygen equilibrium and acid ionization of food matter. Combined polarities giving the polarities of pleasure and pain. That means pressure, temperature, magnetism, any forces which move or combine matter, itself is necessary for autopilot production systems. This is the only way for preventing human conflicts arising from lack of resources and competition struggle for existence. At this junction, humans must start think of the theory of everything. The forces that create polarities in matter, make them productive in individual autopilot, combine them in various time frames, make everything mutually benefited and symbiosis. Actually, if our political realities were defined in such symbiosis, you don't have to search for peace, it will manifest in everything around.